Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Shriya, and in today's video, if you cannot guess by the balloon behind me already, I'm going to create a Valentine themed makeup look, and I also have a new products, like bunch of new products right over here, which I'm going to test out and share my opinion with you guys. So in case if you want to know what I think about these products, please continue watching. Also, if you're watching for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. And without further ado, let's come into today's video. Also guys, all of these products are purchased from Amazon, so in case if you want to purchase any of these products, I'm going to leave the links in the description box down below, so do check it out. I've already prepped my skin with the Wet n Wild primer serum that I had shown few months back. I really love this primer serum. As you can see, I've used it till here, and you don't need to use a lot, like you just need very small amount of it. And I've been feeling very dry in this area, so this one helps a lot. Next up, I'm going to use my Insight concealer. This one, it retails for just 110 rupees. This is not new, so I'm just going to quickly apply it and be right back to show you guys a new foundation that I have. Now let's move on to the foundation. For that, I'm going to use the Staze 99 HD Glow Poreless Matte Foundation. This one retails for 299, is available in 12 shades, and it contains 18 ml of product. Now the shade range is quite good. I have seen the shade range on Amazon, and they have like deeper shades as well. I got the shade 222W, which works really well for me. I have already used this foundation and really like it. I'm just going to take a bit of it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to apply it on my face. Okay, and this one has like a natural finish. It's not like a proper foundation, I would say. It's more like a skin tint foundation hybrid. Okay, and I do really like it. It does has a bit of fragrance, so in case if you don't like fragrance, this might not work for you. I'm going to blend this with my Mars brush, and as you can see, it blends quite easily. It gives like a natural finish. It's not matte, it's not dewy, and for my dry skin it works really well. I think if you have like extremely oily skin, it might not work for you, because it does give a bit of glow when it gives that natural finish, so it might not work for extremely oily skin type. But if you have like normal dry oily skin, extreme dry skin, even then you will like it.
I do like to build this up a bit, because as you can see, the coverage is like medium, and I want to have a bit of a glam look going on, so I might build up this foundation. One thing that I really like about this foundation is that the packaging is tube packaging, so it's very travel friendly. Usually taking out like your glass bottles for travels is a bit risky, I feel, but tube packaging are much better.
Layering up this foundation a bit, just in the areas where I need it.
Also, if you guys don't know, Staze is a new makeup brand, and it's, I think, like sister brand of Mama Earth. I'm not sure if sister brand or child brand is like the right word, but yeah, they are like new brand in the market.
So this is how the foundation looks like on me, and as you can see, it has given me like a medium to buildable coverage. It has not given me like a full coverage, I would say. And even if you build it up, you cannot take it to full, because the formulation is like that it cannot go to full coverage. And another thing that I really like about this foundation is that you will not see it clinging to your skin texture or your dry patches. I have like dry patch right over here and like skin texture going on over here, but it's not at all clinging to that. And there is one small con for this foundation, which is that it does oxidize, so just keep that in mind while selecting your shade. As far as the formula goes, I really love it. It's also very long wearing. I have tested it out just yesterday, and it did wear for like 8 to 9 hours. When I removed it, it was still on, like I had just applied it freshly. Next up, I have something very special. This is PAC X Sarah Dewy liquid blushes. So if you guys don't know, PAC Cosmetics recently collaborated with Sarah Sorosh, and they came up with brushes, a mist, 2 blushes, and I think sponge. So I have their blushes over here. Actually, the shade that I got today is Fudge Me Not, but I had recently purchased this other shade, Turkish Delight, from PAC's website, and that was more of the pink sort of color, and I'm more into coral, peachy, warm tone colors more than pink colors. So I went for the other shade, which is Fudge Me Not. Now this one retails for 795 rupees, and you get 4 grams of product in here, and this is how the packaging looks like. Now this has like very pearly packaging. It has like holographic effect on it. As the name claims, it has like a dewy formula, and it is quite pigmented, so I will not recommend you to like go with it on your cheek directly. I love to take it on the back of my hand like this, and as you can see, it has like a coral sort of color to it. Now I'm just going to dot this on my cheek. As you can see, it blends out very quickly, and it's also very long lasting. Now dewy blushes usually don't last long on me, but this one does, and the color, like even the shade Turkish Delight, complements Indian skin tones very well. It's just that I don't wear pink colors too often, and the shade Fudge Me Not is right up my alley because it's more on the warm tone side. So in case if you like warm tone blushes with red hints to it, then definitely go for the shade. Or if you like the shade like pink sort of shades, then go for the shade Turkish Delight.
And see, there's a lot of product remaining on the back of my hand, so I'm glad it not went directly on my cheek. I'm going to apply it on my other side as well.
This is how the blush looks like on me blended. Really love this dewy blush formula because it's quite long lasting. Usually dewy blushes don't last on me, but this one does. It lasts around like 7-8 hours. If you have oily skin type, maybe this is not for you, but if you have like normal to dry skin, definitely go for this one. I quickly went off camera, did my bronzer, my powder, my brows, and the kajal in my waterline. Now let's move on to the next product that I have, which is an eyeshadow palette, and it's from the brand Swiss Beauty. This is a Swiss Beauty Lustre eyeshadow palette. Basically this is like an eyeshadow cord, okay, and this one retails for 199 rupees. You get 5 grams of product in here. There are 4 beautiful shades in here. They have like other variants as well where there are like mattes plus shimmers. In this variant that I got, which is I think 04 Shimmer and Shine, this one is only available in like all the colors available in this one are like shimmers, and one is pressed glitter. Out of the 3 shimmer, one shade is like duochrome, this one right here. This one looks golden from some angle and orange peach from some angle, and like the below 2 are like intense metallic shimmers. This one right here is like a pressed glitter, but I'm going to use this shade right here for my eye look today. I'm just going to apply one shimmer all over my eyelid. I'm going to dab this on my eyelid. Wow, that looks so gorgeous. Wow, I can literally build it up so well and so easily. Honestly guys, I've never seen anything so intense in drugstore makeup, like such affordable price point, and the quality is like intense, really good. Next up I have something which is actually a repurchase because I love this Colorbar waterproof liquid eyeliner. This is how it looks like, the previous one, and I just got like a repurchase of this because this one has dried up completely. I used it a lot and I love this liner. It's jet black, it's affordable as well. I think it retails for around 500 rupees and it lasted me a long time. This one contains 2.5 ml of product. I hate when my liners have like a metallic or shiny finish, but this one is jet black and matte. One thing that I don't like about this liner is its applicator because it has like a felt tip applicator. I would have preferred it to have like a, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but yeah, I would have preferred it to have like a brush tip applicator. So my liner looks like, I absolutely love the way this liner always applies on my eyes, and yeah, I love the quality. It stays on for a long time. It's not waterproof, but it's water resistant. So yeah, I really love the quality of this liner, and if you're looking for a liquid liner on budget, definitely get this one. Next up I have a new mascara, and it is the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara from Maybelline. This is how it looks like. Now this one again retails somewhere around 500 rupees. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, it retails for around 500 rupees, and this is how the mascara looks like, and this is how the wand looks like. I'm just going to apply this mascara on my upper lashes. I'm done applying my mascara, and I think this mascara definitely gave me a curl. It also gave me a bit of volume. It did not give me any lengthening effect, which it did not even claim, so I'm fine with that. And it also gave me like a spidery Barbie doll lashes effect, which I really love. Also, it was easy to apply on my lower lash line, unlike what I thought previously. I thought it would be a bit hard to apply on lower lash line, but it was quite easy. The last product I have is very interesting. Now this is a new launch by Mars Cosmetic. This is the Mars Cosmetic Love Spell Lip Kit. This is how it looks like, and this is actually I think their Valentine's launch, and it contains lip liner, lipstick and lip gloss. It retails for 498 rupees, and I got the variant 04 Cocoa Kiss, which is like a brown color. And the packaging is very cool. Let me show you. It looks like a chocolate packaging right from the front area, and when you open it up, this is how it looks like. Then you open up the upper side and there you have your 3 products. So you have your lip liner over here, which is so pretty. I did swatch it just today and it looks so gorgeous. I already have tried this lip liner formula and I really like it, but the shade I had never tried before, so I'm really loving the shade. This one is in the color Cinnamon Roll, 13 Cinnamon Roll. I'm just going to line my lips using this lip liner. It's like a warm toned brown color. I think I found my perfect lip liner color today. In my entire life, I've never tried a lip liner color so perfect for me. And also this has like a very creamy formula. If you can see, it's not at all turning matte or like drying on my lips, which I really like. So now let's move on to the lipstick, and it is the non-transfer lipstick from the Mars collection. This is in the shade 21. I'm going to apply it on my lips. I did swatch it in the afternoon today and the color is like a reddish brown color. It has like terracotta red color undertones to it. Lip combo is giving me cherry cola lip trend vibes because the lipstick is not brown but the lip liner is, and as you can see, it has like red undertones to it. It looks more like reddy terracotta brown color more than a brown color. Okay, so this is how my lips look like without the gloss. Now I'm just going to put on a bit of gloss. I'm not usually a gloss person. I don't apply a lot of gloss, and it is a clear gloss. I don't want to ruin it, but we have to apply it for the purpose of this video at least. I feel my eye makeup and my lipstick is not at all going well together because this is turning out more warm toned than I imagined it to. But yeah, this is how the gloss looks like. I really love the shine it's giving. It's not heavy. The application part took a bit more time than normal glosses because I feel the gloss is not like the applicator is not the best, honestly. The gloss formula is good, but the applicator of this gloss is not the best, I would say. But on my lips, I'm really loving the way it's looking, and I would have definitely preferred if this color was more like a warm toned color with a hints of yellow or proper bronze to it. So what I'm going to do is just remove this lip combo and come back with just this lip liner and this lip gloss on my lips because I want to skip this lip color, honestly. So guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, you know what to do. Please hit the like button and comment down below what you guys think about this makeup look. I absolutely love this makeup look and I'm going to keep continuing using these products. Let me know what you guys think about these products, this makeup look. If you guys would like to wear this kind of makeup look on Valentine's or even for some special occasion, let me know in the comments down below. And if you have any other questions for me, let me know. All the links of the products will be attached in the description box on below, so do check it out. I have purchased all of these products from Amazon, and I'm going to take a leave for now. I really hope to see you guys in my next one. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.